Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now we're going to be looking at induction and delivery in cryptic pregnancy. Now a lot of people still do not believe that there is any concept like cryptic pregnancy, but it does exist. Like I always say, it occurs in 1 out of every 475 pregnancies. Okay, and this is a pregnancy that conventional tests do not detect. Okay, so most times the woman do not even know she's pregnant. They might sometimes get some signs and symptoms, but because the test keeps coming back negative, they might not really know they are pregnant. Some do not know up until 20 weeks they get to find out, but then some don't even get to find out until they go into labor. Okay, and most times they are rushed to the hospital for something else. Might think maybe it's a severe abdominal ache or maybe an appendicitis, but at the end of the day, by the time they are checked, you discover that there is already a baby sticking out its head through the cervix. All right, so now we're going to be looking at induction and delivery in cryptic pregnancy. Now, can a woman with cryptic pregnancy be induced? Now understand that in every pregnancy there could be possibility of an induction. Remember that induction usually come into place when a labor is not starting. So the woman is assisted for labor to begin. That is what induction is. Okay, so most times when labor have started and it's not progressing, the labor is augmented. Okay, so you augment the labor to kind of speed up the process of contraction and then also the process of delivery. Now, one thing that is peculiar with a cryptic pregnancy is the fact that the woman do not know she's pregnant, so she cannot even know if labor is supposed to have started or not. And then the health team do not even know the woman is pregnant. The gynae or the midwife or the GP do not know that the woman is pregnant, so they cannot induce labor. All right, so that is the limitation with cryptic pregnancy. If not, every pregnancy can be induced, all right, except if it has been determined that this woman cannot deliver by herself, maybe in the case of a breech presentation or in the case of placenta previa or other complications associated with the pregnancy. All right, so if it is not the case, then that pregnancy can be induced. But in the case of cryptic pregnancy, there can not be induction because there is no awareness of the pregnancy. Now, when it comes to whether a woman with cryptic pregnancy can deliver like every other woman, the answer is yes. Now, just like every other woman, a woman with cryptic pregnancy can deliver normally and have a normal baby. Okay, so you go just so a woman with cryptic pregnancy would have contraction, all right, the cervix would dilate and then the baby would descend and be born. So that is it. So most times these women actually get to know they are pregnant during delivery. All right, so I actually read of a case where the woman was rushed into the emergency room for supposed appendicitis. She was having severe abdominal pain and her family thought it could be appendicitis because what else could be giving such pain? It's either it's appendicitis or something serious. So she was rushed into the emergency room, and by the time she was checked, she was already about 6 centimeters dilated, and before they could even begin to make arrangement, the baby was already descending through the cervix. So the baby was actually born and he was in a healthy state, about 3 kg or so. So you see that cryptic pregnancy delivery is just like every other normal pregnancy, labor and delivery. All right, so there is no abnormality with it. They deliver their babies normally, just like every other woman who is pregnant and due for delivery. All right, guys, so that is that about induction and delivery in cryptic pregnancy. Okay, note that this pregnancy actually exists. It is very rare, but it does exist. Okay, so in case you were asked about this, I'm sure you would have something to talk about. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button, turn on notifications so you get updates when there's a new video. And if you have any question or something you need me to clarify, kindly drop in the comment section and I'll respond to it. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.